If you've noticed empty shelves while trying to buy groceries recently, you're not alone. Sydney Bushell went to a local grocery store to find out if the national shortage is hitting home. She joins us now in the studio. Sydney, what did you find out?
Well, Hannah, I know we've talked about this all afternoon. Going grocery shopping recently hasn't been easy, and there are a lot of shelves missing products. But the grocery store I went to seems to be managing the problem.
These days, you about have to go to several stores just to get everything that you need.
Prices are up and supply is low.
And the price of meat has skyrocketed, I guess, because it's hard to find it.
Nationally, the Consumer Brands Association says that on average, grocery stores across the country have 5 to 10% of items out of stock at any given time.
I have to go to like several stores before I can even find what I'm looking for.
The shortages are credited to supply chain issues, short staff at the manufacturing level, and even winter weather. And with the potential for winter weather in the Cape Fear,
I think the shelves will be empty of bread and non-perishables.
don't grab the bread and milk just yet. Storm Track 3 meteorologists say this storm will not likely be significant. But if you need it, the Piggly Wiggly in Leland likely has it. A manager says they have fared well while other stores across the country have struggled. A couple of things they have seen a short supply of is cooking oil and some Coca-Cola products like Sundrop. They say it's not a shortage of product at the manufacturing level, but rather a shortage of packaging for the product. Until things return to normal, some shoppers are going with the flow.
Take what you could get until you can get something else, and it'll get better after a while.
The manager at Piggly Wiggly did say that they tried to keep popular products on the shelves, like Half and Half. It may not be a popular brand that you recognize, but it will likely be the product you're looking for or something super similar. Hannah?